Hello everyone, here's Goddess with WTI and today with this delicious perfume.
I feel like this scent is perfect for the upcoming summer. Its fragrance is warm and ideal for the hotter weather because it makes us feel refreshed as if we were always on vacation. That's my favorite part. I can wear it daily and imagine I'm on holiday or heading to the beach. Just a little on both sides of my neck is enough for me since it has long-lasting effects. I especially love the bottle it comes, particularly the detail on the cap, which adds an elegant touch and allows me to display it anywhere in my room, adding a cute style. I genuinely enjoy wearing it, smiling like it all day is fantastic because I'm a huge fan of summer, so I'll be using it a lot more.
And that's my point of view.